Hello everybody, I'm going to show you guys 10 clothing sales that sold for me on eBay at some point this month within the past few weeks. So yeah, let's get straight into it. The first pair here is this, I don't even know how to say this, pair of Q? Is it just Q? Q pants? I don't know. QU. They're like hunting pants, super good quality. They went for $110 plus $9 shipping. I found a couple of pairs of these. First time finding them. I did know of the brand, but this is my first time finding them. So very good quality brand. Here's the logo here. Nice like rip stop, cargo pants. Super cool. If you ever find this brand, pretty much anything in this brand is going to sell a lot of money and quickly on eBay. So definitely be on the lookout for that brand. All right, if you guys need some poly bags, make sure to check out Jiaropack. They have a bunch of different colors. We have like the green one here. It's like a woods green. Some floral prints as well as, we got like a lighter blue and a purple one here for you guys. So we got a bunch of different colors. And yeah, they're good company. Definitely check them out. I've been using them for a while now. Use the code RONNING10 to get yourself 10% off. And yeah, they just have great customer service. These polygrip bags are my favorite. Been using them for a while. Namely, when you rip off the little things here, they don't stick to your hand as much as some of the other companies I've used, which I think is the most important thing in a poly bag. Make sure you get ones that aren't annoying. These are great. So definitely check them out, guys. And yeah, back to the video. Next up, we have these Freebird shoes. I know I said clothing, but I don't know. I thought it was a good enough sale that I would show you guys. Did I list these? No, I listed these as pre-owned, but they had the box and everything. Super good quality. Yeah, so they were used. They had some nicks and everything. Sold this brand a few times. So definitely be on the lookout for Freebird by Steven. They have all sorts of different types of shoes, and pretty much everything I've picked up from them has done well for me. So definitely be on the lookout for that. These were in still very good condition, but they don't always go for this much. I think the fact that I had the box and all the original stuff in it is really going to help. I have some boots that I have to list today, actually, that I think I'm going to list for about 60. So, the range can differ. I think they're like a smaller size, that's why. But definitely a very good brand. All right, next we have Viore pants. Viore still selling really well for me. I've been selling this brand a long time. And yeah, these ones are like their classic ripstop pants. Unfortunately, not my size, or I probably would have kept them. They fit real nice. I never find Viore in my size, but yeah, definitely a very good brand. Got the nice drawstring with a zip pocket, elastic waist. Sold for $47.50 plus $6 shipping. I'm generally picking these up for $5 to $10 at the thrift. And getting that I don't think I usually get that much, like 48, but usually they sell for a little bit under that. Could have gotten lucky, I don't know, but they do sell for good money. So yeah, definitely pick up Viore. Good stuff, organic cotton. Pretty much sell pretty much everything from the brand. All right, a lot of people I feel like pass this one up and don't know about it. American Giant, $33 plus $9 shipping. And it wasn't even like in perfect condition. I don't know if you can see, but the zipper wasn't like, it wasn't too bad, but it wasn't like straight either. I've definitely sold some like ones in better condition for a little bit more money. But it's just like a quality, again, a brand I've never found in my size because I want to keep one. I mean, they're really cool. They're just like really good quality hoodies. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's just like good quality hoodies. I'm pretty sure it's like, yeah, USA made. So I've sold a ton of these. I've found them at like the bins, where it's super cheap, pay by the pound. Sometimes I find them at the thrift for $10, $5. A lot of times they misprice them at the thrift because the people at the thrift don't really know about it. A lot of people just don't really seem to know much about this brand, so tend to find it for cheap, sell it for a lot. So good brand. Check out American Giant. Next up, vintage South Pole jeans. This stuff is coming back. I used to find this stuff all the time, and I was like, man, why can't this stuff be worth money? And now it is. We're kind of hitting that mark, that time period where this stuff seems to sell and do well. So sold for $42 plus $9 shipping. And yeah, good sale there. Okay, I lied. I just checked. It sold for $38 plus $9 shipping. So it took a little bit of a discount, but still great sale there. Vintage South Pole and all those like brands sort of in that time period are starting to do well. And it's nothing crazy. It was a little off too, the size as opposed to the tag. So that threw it a lot off. I probably could have got more for it if it was actually the right size. And some of them are super interesting. This one wasn't really. So, all right, we have these Rock Revival jeans that sold for $42 plus $9 shipping fairly quickly. Still super bullish on Rock Revival, even these like smaller sizes for women's. This one, of course, had, good embroidery and everything like that. So this is one of the better ones. Some of them just don't really have anything on the pockets. Not quite as good. But pretty much anything Rock Revival, men's, women's. I'm picking it up. I'm selling it. As long as you can find it for a decent price. The men's ones go for more, but you can get ones like this that are got a lot of stuff going for it. They can sell for decent money. So definitely check out Rock Revival jeans. All right, we have the cool silencer pants that sold for $35 plus $9 shipping. $36.32. Generally paying about $8-10 for these. Here's what the little thing inside looks like. If you don't know how to check out cool pants on the inside, usually they'll be, unless it's like an older one, the new ones all have like the little thing on the inside. So new cool stuff is doing really well. The silencer one sold for $35 plus $9. Maybe could have waited, got more or full price. I don't know. Cool's kind of a weird one. Yeah, I probably could have got full price, but whatever. Took the 35. Good sale there. It's probably 10 into 35 plus 9. So good sale. All right, we have a Nike vintage windbreaker sold for $30 plus $6 shipping. Anything like vintage Nike like this that just has that like retro look, I always pick up and throw it up. Threw it up for $39. Took a best offer of $30. Sold rather quickly. So yeah, anything that just like looks cool, because some vintage Nike stuff isn't that great. If it's just like a solid, like if it was this exact same windbreaker but it was all black, well, the all black might be all right. I don't know. I mean, it wouldn't go for as much, so you have to pick it up for much less. Like something like this, I'm fine with paying $10 for. I think I paid $8 for it. Maybe $7, but yeah, I'd be fine paying 10. Doing the 30 plus shipping, that's fine with me. But if it was like a solid color, paying 10 might be a little bit too much. Just depends on your business model. So, yeah, however your business works, check it out for yourself. Vintage Nike stuff, if it looks cool, good stuff. Alphalete pants sold for full asking price of $34 plus $6. I do quotations because it was lowered. I lower the price of my items each month, and so it was full asking price, but the lowered price. So I didn't accept an offer or anything. They bought it for full price, but it did get lowered. So, yeah, 34 plus 6 Alphalete, good brand. Took a long time to sell. It's my old background. I just overpriced it. Alphalete used to be a lot better. It's like a YouTuber brand, the fitness YouTuber Christian Guzman, who I used to watch back in college, is his own brand. It used to be a lot more like quality, like Lululemon-esque, and then over time the quality went way down. So, and he kind of talks about that in his videos too. So, yeah, it took a while to sell. Still sold for $35 almost. So, pretty good sale. It took a while. Alphalete, good brand. Definitely check it out. Most of the stuff is still still sells well, even though the quality has been going down. Just not as crazy as it used to be. So Alphalete, check it out. All right, here is a Tommy Bahama Disney shirt. It's just a nice floral shirt. I took a best offer of $90 plus $6 shipping. So it didn't take too much off of the full asking price. Still got that $90 mark, which is amazing. And yeah, just a cool little shirt with little Mickey and Minnie Mouses on it. Super cool. Here's the tag if you want to check it out. Yeah, any collabs, Tommy Bahama, whenever they collab with like teams, like sports teams or Disney or whatever, the sports teams ones aren't going to go for as much, but I still sell them for like in the 30s. So any collab they have just tends to do very well, and the Disney ones are great. All right, so I'm going to give you guys 11 items because I want to show you this last one. Rhoback, amazing brand, but it's like a Christmas sweatshirt. So super cool. If you don't know Rhoback, this is what it looks like. Super good brand. I've never seen this little Christmas collab before, but Christmas collab. It's not Christmas collab. It's just a Christmas sweatshirt, whatever. And yeah, this brand goes for good money. Took a best offer of 60. If I waited till closer to Christmas, I probably could have got the full 75. But I just decided to let it go. Take the offer. I'm pretty easygoing with offers these days, so yeah, decided to take it. Roan, or not Roan. Roan's a good brand too, but Rhoback, super good brand. Check it out. Yeah, so we got you 11 items, guys. 11 items. Appreciate you guys checking in. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and have a good day.